If you have the latest KT box, this is from May 2020 moving forward, you're going to have a slightly different real Debrid activation setup. So first of all, how do you know if you have the latest system? Go over to movies, and at the bottom you should see Fenn, Saren, the crew, and I don't even know how they pronounce that, Gaia, G-A-I-A. If it doesn't look like that, then you have an older version and this does not apply to you. However, if you see Fenn, Saren, the crew, and Gaia, Gia, whatever that might be, then we're good to go. And this is how you'll activate Real Debrid on this new version. You're going to go over to System, and at the bottom here, you're going to see 3 Real Debrids. You have to do this 3 times. It's pretty much the same way each time. I'll walk you through each one. So the first one is Fenn Real Debrid activation. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And you're going to go to Real Debrid, reauthorize Real Debrid. Click that button, and it's going to bring up a number. You're going to go ahead and put that into the system as you always would. If you need information on how to do that, you'll have to check out the other video regarding Real Debrid, but most of you by now should know how to do that. So you'll go ahead and enter that into your Real Debrid system, and then once that's done, it will say activate. Easy peasy. Then we're going to go back to System. And you're going to go Real Debrid Activation Saren. Go ahead and click that one. Once you're here, we need to go over to Accounts from the top. Drop down to Real Debrid. Turn that on. And then authorize Real Debrid. Once that's activated, you're going to see a thing that pops up, says thank you very much, activation completed, and then we'll do the last one. The last one is main Real Debrid activation. We'll go ahead and go into there, and from here you're going to need to go to a universal resolver. Just click one over, go down to Real Debrid, and you'll click reauthorize my account. Again, you'll put the password in that it gives you. And it will say Real Debrid activated successfully, and you are good to go on all 3 of those. It should not take you very long. Easy peasy.